Alright, let's continue. It's on Turnitin manual instruction. This is the one that I have been mentioning before this, the website. So the name is Turnitin. What is it about? Let's look at it. What is Turnitin? Okay, it is an originality checking and plagiarism prevention service that checks your writing for citation mistakes or inappropriate copying. When you submit your paper, Turnitin compares it to text in its massive database of students' work, websites, books, articles, and etc. Okay, it improves students' writing and prevent plagiarism. Alright, the main function of Turnitin is to check your work, especially your writing, whether it is originally from you or how many percent you have copied from others' work, right? So remember, before you submit your second assignment, which is term paper draft, you need to submit to this website first, Turnitin, to check the similarity index, which should be less than 20%. Now Turnitin for ULab 2122. Okay, rubric or marking scheme for term paper requires 2% of marks for originality. Alright, thus Turnitin is used to check similarity index. This is the method by using Turnitin. And to achieve moderate revision, 1 to 19% it is acceptable, or substantial revision, 0% in students. I say this will be the best if you achieve 0% for your similarity index. Students should get similarity report less than 20%. Okay. Term paper submission for Turnitin. Okay, all groups need to submit term paper on Turnitin first before you email the final product to me. If similarity index report less than 20%, then you can proceed to submit on e-learning to be checked by your lecturer. Okay, in our case, we are not using e-learning, but we are using Blackboard and also email. Okay, for your case, for our section, I will always ask my students to submit or to email me your assignments. If similarity index more than 20%, what you should do? Okay, you have to redo the assignment. Redo with your group members until you get the acquired results. Alright, note, if the first draft submitted by student A, the final term paper should be submitted by student B to avoid system detecting as plagiarized own work. Okay, the last point, the note, you can ignore that. Next, this is in form of a pictorial. Okay, I put it in flowchart so that it is easier for you to see. Okay, the flow. Submit to Turnitin by 31st August. This is to check your similarity index report. Next, result more than 20%, redo. Next, resubmit to Turnitin. Check again until similarity index result less than 20%, and the final flow is to submit via email to instructor by 3rd September 2020 before 5 p.m. or this is a different case. Excuse me. Submit on submit. Okay, please ignore the typo. To Turnitin by 31st August. 31st August, which means on this coming Monday, to check your similarity index Even at the first time, if you check the result is less than 20%, then you wait until 3rd September to submit or to email to me. Next, to learn how to set up your Turnitin account, you can always just Google Turnitin student guide, and please refer closely, read carefully the instruction. Okay, this one is very important. I have created your class in the Turnitin. Okay, so your class is space ULab 212248. Right. You need to keep or save or have this class ID and also enrollment key. They will ask you to give them this when you are going to register for your Turnitin account. Okay. Now this is an example of Turnitin results submitted by students. Okay, these are my previous students. As you can see, the first paper by Nur Amira Abdurrani groups, okay, first draft of term paper, the result is only 4%. So it is passed. Okay, going down, 7%, 11, 12, 18, 18, 19 is the last chance. Nur Alisha Muhammad Nazir's group. Okay, and then starting from 24% here by Nurul Shafiza's group until Amira's group, they need to redo because their result is more than 20. Okay, this is how I will the view that I will see your term paper. Wherever or any parts that you directly copy and paste, the system will highlight the parts and mention and state the websites or the place that you plagiarize. So you need to remove that and redo. Okay, another example. Alright, thank you for listening. Do you have any questions? Okay, if you have any questions, write that down. Discuss with your group members as usual. You do group discussion. Okay, have you all clear? You ask your group members, have you all clear with this topic? If not, then you list down what are the questions that you would like to ask during our 1 hour consultation later. You can email me all the questions and I will respond to that. Okay, thank you.